Hello everyone, just a really simple video today of me doing my acrylic infill. The nails that I've got on are about 2 weeks old, so you can't really see too much growth on them. Also, I prepped them off camera, like the pushing back my cuticles and all that stuff. All the products that I'm using are from Gelish, which you can get from the Georgie Smedley group if you're in the UK. That's the Nail Harmony website. I'll leave website links in the description box for all of the products that I've used in this video. My brain's not working properly today. This is a really simple design, so I'm not really going to speak too much for it. I'm just going to kind of like let you watch my infill, and then I'll let you know about what gel polish that I'm using. So my fill's done. I'm just going to quickly use my hand file to file these. Because it's just a small fill, I didn't use too much acrylic. I didn't have to use my e-file or anything to bulk these. So yeah, I just kind of go around my cuticle area first, and then I sort of bevel down my nail afterwards, and then I sort of go over the apex area to blend it all in. I'm really bad at describing my filing technique, but yeah, obviously you can see what I'm doing. The metal file that I'm using as well, I've been using this on myself for a while, so I was alright going around my cuticles with it. If you are using a metal file to do your cuticle area, filing around there, do still season your file like you would any other normal hand file. Some people say you don't have to season the edges of a metal file, but that's bullshit. When I first got this, I took the advice that I didn't have to do it, and I gave myself some nasty cuts. So do still season the edges of your file, even if it is a metal file. I'm just going to cleanse and dust off my nails now with my plastic manicure brush and some sanitizer, and then I'm going to come in with my gel polish. So my base colour that I'm putting down, which I'll do 2 coats of, by the way, 2 thin coats, this is called On Cloud Mine from Gelish. I believe this is the Springtime 2020 Editor's Picks collection this colour is in. Like I said before, I will put links to all of these colours. So I've cured the first coat for 30 seconds, now coming in with my second coat, which I'll also cure for another 30 seconds. Now I'm coming in with my colours, and I've not got them in front of me, so I've got to try and remember what these are called. And I'm using a thin striping brush just to apply these, and I'm not curing between the stripes. So I think the first colour, the blue, is called I think it's called Feeling Swimsicle. The green is called Lemonade in the shade. The orange is called You've Got Tangerine Lines, and I believe that this pink is called Flamingo Fling. I'm actually really impressed with myself that I remembered all the names. So yeah, once I've applied those, I'm then wiping off my brush and then dragging through the colours from the free edge up towards my cuticle area. It kind of like, it creates that tie-dye effect. I've been seeing this look for a while now, and it's Pride month, so I wasn't planning on doing like Pride nails. These were sort of accidental Pride nails, but yeah, why the hell not? They look great, reasons to celebrate. So yeah, this tie-dye trend is like really in at the moment, so why the hell not, hey? I'm just trying to save myself a bit of time, like by not going in and out of the lamp by doing all these 3 nails at the same time. Luckily I didn't smudge them. So yeah, just applying each of those colours one after the other, leaving them wet. I'm not curing between those stripes, and then once they're all on, I'm going to use my striper brush to drag from the tip upwards in lines to give them that tie-dye effect where they all get pulled together. So now all the colours are on, I'm just going to top off with some no wipe top coat. I think this one is my Chiara Sky no wipe top coat, and then curing for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. Yeah, so that's about it really. I've given you a little clip of what they look at the end, and there's nothing too exciting about this video, but I just thought, I didn't know what to do and I wanted something bright and fun, and this was just like a really easy design to do. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye!